In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the MetaTrader 5 platform for one-click trading. MetaTrader 5, often abbreviated as MT5, is a popular trading platform used by traders worldwide, known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive trading features. Today, we're going to explore how you can quickly and efficiently execute trades with just one click. This feature is a favorite among traders who need to act swiftly in response to market changes, as it eliminates the need to navigate multiple dialogues and settings each time a trade is made. First things first, once you've opened up your MT5 platform, it's crucial to become acquainted with the top toolbar, as this will serve as your main navigation hub throughout the trading process. The tool we'll focus on is the one-click trading icon, which you'll find on this toolbar. It may look like a small triangle, possibly with a lightning bolt or a small trading panel icon, but don't worry if you can't spot it right away. If you're struggling to find the icon, don't panic. There's always an alternative. Simply take your mouse and perform a right-click anywhere on the open chart. This action will prompt a menu to appear, offering you a selection of options to choose from. In this menu, you will see the option labeled One-Click Trading. Click on this option to activate the feature. Upon activating one-click trading, you'll notice a new trade panel appearing in the upper left corner of your chart. It's a compact yet powerful tool integrated into the trading platform, designed to make your trading experience seamless and efficient. This panel is home to a few essential elements: the prominent buy and sell buttons and the volume field, among others. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. The buy and sell buttons are your go-to options for executing trades. When you click on either of them, your trade is instantly placed, which is why it's important to have your trading strategy well thought out in advance, as there's no room for hesitation here. This is precisely why one-click trading is such a game changer. It enables swift and decisive actions without the hassle of confirming multiple parameters. The volume field is equally important, as it determines the number of lots you wish to trade. Make sure you've set the appropriate volume for your position size before clicking those pivotal buy or sell buttons. Having a clear strategy regarding how much to invest is vital for effective management of both risk and potential profits. And that's all there is to it. You've now enabled and understood the essentials of one-click trading on MT5. With this knowledge, you can navigate the fast-paced world of trading with greater confidence, efficiency, and ease. Thank you for watching, and may your trading be successful and enlightening.